I mean, look at that beautiful little 1500 Triumph Spitfire, absolutely gloriously put together, a proper show car in my least favourite colour, I hasten to add. But Rimmer Brothers, who own this vehicle, can put that car together because they can consult their own catalogue. Now, their catalogues are just to die for, really. Look at this, every single part you need to put a Triumph like that on the show floor and show it off, because they cater for absolutely everything in the Triumph world. And it doesn't matter if you haven't got a Spitfire, they can help you out with Range Rover, Land Rover, with MG Rover parts. All you need to do is grab a brochure off Rimmer Brothers if you're at the show. If not, get in touch with them and you can get a free brochure, and it's great reading, it really is, and you can find every part you need which they'll ship to you.